this one?
Yeah. I feel like you're cheating. Nope, you gotta take it.
Nope. 4.
I got all the rest. I get the rest.
Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, we picked our things. She got the rest.
But Brianna, are you sure about that? Because there's different colors inside.
I know our cousin mixed up some of our.
That's not our cousin.
That's not our cousin, but our friend's mom mixed up some of our colors. But it does not.
I got
matter.
blue.
Okay, somebody.
I got purple. That's mine.
I know.
And I got pink. You did not get all the colors you wanted.
Yes, I did.
I got all the good colors.
I got this one. I got this one. I got this one, and I got this one.
Check inside of them because I have your blue. Because now I feel this overwhelming pain. I mean, it's in my veins. I mean, it's in
Okay,
my
guys. Stop doing that.
We will resolve another video. That's you.
So, guys, we will open. I'm gonna open the yellow Play-Doh. Stop, Tania.
Okay. So
open my
I
yellow
opened my purple Play-Doh.
What? Finally, the light is turned on.
So
Open
Guys.
my orange one. Wait, let me open mine.
I'm tall, so I gotta.
Right now. These are mine.
That's
No, I had the yellow one. Pink.
So
I'll put mine in front, and then you put yours in the back.
green.
Blue.
When she's finished, I'll go ahead and open mine.
Okay, go.
So, see, she has.
I'll put mine back.
Yeah, just put hers back.
So you see, I have pink, yellow, blue, and orange. So let's do Tania's colors.
Okay. So, I get the camera now. You got the camera when it was your turn. Scooch it over.
No, just look in it.
Okay, so guys, I got this.
Show them what color. Tell them what color it is.
I think it is pink. Yeah, I think it is pink and like a pinkish purplish color. As you can see, I'll take a piece out so you can see. See? Okay, so put that right there. Next, I got my favorite color, green. And it's a light green too, so that'll work perfectly fine. Let's see. You wanna see? This what color it is? Yes, Mom. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna call this. Okay.
No, you.
Okay, we're back. We're back, guys. Alright, okay, so we're back, guys. My next color was blue. I paused it and I opened the cap. I don't know why I'm so retarded.
Alright, let's
Your
move these
caps
caps.
Okay, so my next color, I'm trying to open it right now. Is that? What's that? Purple. Banana so fly man.
Can you stop singing?
With fluff so hobby, spit and flame. Okay, I'm finished. Let me get all my colors out the way.
So let me go first, guys. Let me show you my colors. So I told you, two of them might be mixed up, which they are, I told you. So, I will be doing these, pink first. So let's see, pink. She takes so long, right? She said I take so long.
Okay.
You can do yours too. She can do, gosh, she's gonna do hers too.
I'm doing purple, she's doing pink.
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are so hard to take out. So happy spit face. Hey, so we can drop the mic and say we'll claim. I claim the diamond ring plus the zing. Oh my god.
Now I will be opening yellow.
That looks smooth for some reason. Let me see. Let me see it. If I can, look how much is left. And look how much this is. Yes, Mom?
Be quiet, Tania. You
Yes?
know Mommy did not call you.
Oh, okay. We'll be back, guys.
No, you're not pausing again.
I'm not
just
pausing it. I'm doing this. Like, so I can move the cup over. Like this.
No, put it back where
No,
it was.
just in case. Just in case.
No,
Just
no,
in case
no,
we need a pause.
no.
That's it.
This is how you pause it. Guys, we're just taking a test drive on
Ready?
pausing it. This is how you pause it, guys.
Okay.
Good at it.
If I press
So,
it, what's gonna
Let's
happen?
be. The video will stop and then it will go to all of the bubbles and stuff. So, guys, I have yellow and it's right on the dot. Yeah. So we are gonna be making something out of our colors. So I'll go first. I'll be making a hot chocolate cookie. Did you just fart?
No, I'm doing this. She always tells me somebody that farted, but she always the one that's farting.
Just don't know.
Okay, so once I finish, as you can see, still has little pieces. And next, I'm moving on to the slime that I just made a couple seconds ago when we paused the video when my mom called us. That's why she called us so we could do activity.
Am I looking at the camera? Am I looking straight at the camera?
Yeah, you are. Oh, right here? Yeah, guys, we'll be
What are you
back with
looking
another
at?
Video. Yeah,
We're back. Now move your hand.
What's up, So Cool Gang? We the So Cool Gang.
How'd the thing get lighter? Let me zoom in real quick.
I'm gonna mix these together. I'm gonna mix these
Here's our room. It's a mess. Guys, look. That's what you get.
If you were
Look
real,
at her.
if you're
Okay, fine. Tell him.
if you're in real life and you saw something in your room, I'm gonna do that. That's telling your personal business.
Okay. Oh, she got lights in there.
I knew you were gonna say that. I was thinking. That's why I just mixed your yellow with my purple.
Side eyes. Bye, guys. We'll be back.
What's another video?
Bye, guys. We will be back with another video. And subscribe down below if we think this channel was good or bad. Thanks to the girl with the 10-minute video. Bye.